All right, we're going to install the new steering wheel. Ashley's going to do it. So we'll start by taking off that middle bolt. And then you'll take the handle or the steering wheel with two hands and kind of pull it off, maybe rock it back and forth a little bit to try to get it to break loose. You have to put some force into it.
Is it really supposed to come off like this?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, it's tight. It's... Try top and bottom. Alright.
Yeah!
There you go.
That was tough. Okay.
Alright, so the plan is to put on the hub adapter, and then we'll put on a quick disconnect, and then we will put on the new steering wheel. So we'll start with the hub adapter first. And the hub adapter that we got is from NRG, made specifically for Ford vehicles of this era.
Does it go on more?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it should push, maybe try flipping it 180 degrees. That was it. Oh, you're flat. So you got your flats there.
More?
Yeah, should go on all the way. Alright, nothing's ever as easy as just bolt on. So we found that, like on the stock steering wheel, you got this flat portion, then it's kind of a circle that it kind of fits over. On the adapter, it's just this D portion all the way down. So once it gets to this round section here, it wasn't going any further, so it'd only go to that line. And maybe it's supposed to, I don't know, I don't have the clock springs, I don't really care. So I ground out this a little bit bigger to be able to fit over this portion that's tapered. So we'll put it on, and if it's a little bit better, it's a little bit deeper in, which is what I want. And then we'll take the bolt. So you want these flat sections up and down. And then we'll take the bolt and we'll run it on and see if it'll pull it in a little bit further. So you can see that it's still not flush with this, which is okay, but it was much further down before. So the hub is aluminum and the steering shaft is steel, so it's stronger. So maybe it will pull the aluminum onto it as we bolt it down. So go ahead and bolt it down. And go ahead and crank her. Keep going until it stops. On there nice and tight. And you don't want the steering wheel coming off on you.
I know. I just didn't want to strip the bolt.
I know. Yeah, that's a pretty big bolt.
Okay.
Alright, so then the next part is the quick release. So not that side. That side. So we'll bolt that on. There might be a certain direction that it goes.
Okay. I got 4 on the bottom and 6 on the top.
So I'd say probably the 4 goes on the bottom, yeah.
Okay. Try with these gloves.
And tighten up the bolts. pop on the hub adapter or the quick release.
Ooh. How does this go on? Did I do it wrong?
You're gonna have to pull it back.
Like
Yep.
this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You might have to push this button, I think. to
More?
get it go further.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Nice. And then the steering wheel. So we got an OMP steering wheel. So it's a suede finish. It's the flat face. So I wanted to try to have the steering wheel kind of stay as close as we could. We didn't want it too close to us, so we wanted it to stay as close as we could to the dash. Because as you can see, like the hub adapter, the quick release, all that stuff adds distance away from the dash, closer to you. I gotta try to find holes that it lines up with.
I might be not okay right there.
Yeah, the wheels look like they're slightly turned.
Oh, two.
Yeah, just snug them up.
Nut them up.
Snug them up.
Oh. I prefer nut them up. And that is how you install a steering wheel.
Alright, now try to take it off.
Okay. Never did this before.
We just installed it.
What?
We just installed it.
Oy, okay, hold on. Don't put me in the bloopers. Okay, so yeah, you gotta put that button down.
Yeah, I guess that button should be on the top. I don't know. Go ahead, put it back on. Alright, here, hold this. Yeah. It's kind of annoying. I wonder. At least clicks on there fairly easy.
Is it straighten out with the wheels?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I'll have to double check it and everything once I do like toe and things like that. But yeah, I guess you just gotta reach up there with your finger and pop it. It just needs to be worked a little
Yeah.
bit because it's slightly crooked now, so then it's grabbing it better.
What's that noise?
Sounds like a bird. Yeah, where they're slightly crooked, it's hitting the button better.
Okay, so maybe with that opening, that's like a lockout position or something.
Maybe.
If the steering wheel comes off in autocross, you just brake.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, it's on, then off. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. We don't have to push the button.
that's good. That would have got annoying.
Yeah, what up? For such a nice steering wheel, you need it to be quick. Okay, so we're done?
Yep. There is
we
a
talked
little.
about doing a fab thing here.
There is a little button that goes in there. I think it might be still in the box over there if you want to go grab it.
Yeah, well, where is the box?
Zooming in on it. Can you tell? So it's just a button, but we're not going to worry about the wires because we don't actually have a horn. We don't have a clock spring, so just kind of put that in there to cover up the hole.
Oh gosh. Okay.
That helps finish it out some.
Yeah.
All the way in? Yeah, I guess so.
Beep, beep.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about putting that sticker on it.
Nah,
I like it without it.
me too.
Sweet.
Nice.
Yeah, looks good.
I'm interested to see where the seat's gonna come up.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit nervous, but good.
Yeah, I mean, if we
It's okay.
don't like it, then we could take out the quick release. That will then move it, a good bit. Oh, 2 5/8. Yeah, so it's a lot of space. 2 5/8 if we took out the quick release. So this is the NRG short hub adapter, NRG quick release, and the OMP flat dish steering wheel. So there's no dish to it. So that was to try to keep everything as close as possible, as I said. So we'll see how it works out once we get the seat in. No seat, so it's kind of hard to tell how it feels right now. All right, so I did measure the distance from this flat face here to this black plastic piece for the turn signal with the stock steering wheel, and then with this one. So with the stock steering wheel to this flat face, it was 5 3/8 inches. With this one, it is now 6 7/16. So putting this all on, I've gained 1.16 of distance closer to the driver now. So we'll see how, that's not that much space. So we'll see how it feels once we get the seat in, but it is closer to us now. That was to be expected. I just wasn't sure how much. And so it's 1.16. So we'll see how it feels. There's not too much that we can do about that at this moment unless we, as we've said before, take out the quick release or maybe somehow modify the steering shaft.